Breakthrough study just discovered a natural treatment for urinary tract infections that was able not just to completely eradicate antibiotic-resistant UTIs, but also to protect the kidneys. Catherine here. I've been working with people suffering from kidney problems for almost 10 years now, and urinary tract infections have proven to be a very common danger that should never be underestimated. While the general population can get away with treating a UTI with an antibiotic course and some rest, for those with CKD, antibiotics are very dangerous and should only be considered as the last resort. And if we also consider how common UTIs are in people with diabetes and in those with kidney problems, I absolutely recommend everyone here to get informed about prevention and natural treatment for UTIs. So if you are having or if you had in the past UTI symptoms such as an intense and frequent urge to urinate or a burning sensation or pain during urination or strong or full smelling urine or pelvic pain, please watch the whole video so I can show you the best natural remedies to prevent and treat a urinary tract infection. Yes, the biggest problem here is that antibiotics are known to cause kidney damage even in a short period of time. But guys, don't worry! The home remedies and tips I'll show in today's video are not just extremely efficient to fight a UTI, they will also help your kidneys instead of damaging them. Let's start with one of the healthiest foods in the world, which is just as low in potassium as it's rich in beneficial nutrients and antioxidants. I'm talking about number 5, cranberry. Many people consider cranberries to be a superfood due to their high nutrient and antioxidant content, and science confirms that. And while cranberries are extremely valuable when it comes to fighting a UTI, this berry also offers other benefits for the health of the kidneys. Cranberries contain various antioxidants including anthocyanins, proanthocyanidins, and quercetin that have been linked to lowered cholesterol levels, lowered blood pressure, and decreasing stiffness in blood vessels. And this is really great for kidney health. Research has also linked the nutrients in cranberries to a lower risk of urinary tract infections. And while until some years ago cranberries were said to only be a way of preventing a UTI, there is a breakthrough study that's showing the world how combining cranberry extract with the other remedies I'm going to show you today may actually treat UTIs even when these infections are resistant to antibiotics. More about this later on this video. Now, if you can find unsweetened cranberry juice, that's great! But most studies on cranberries were done using supplements, and studies have found that you need a pretty high daily dose of proanthocyanidins. So, a cranberry extract supplement may be the best way. Just remember to double check that any supplement you may be taking has at least 40 milligrams proanthocyanidins per daily dose, or it may be useless. And while cranberries can help, there is a remedy. Our number 4 that can be extremely effective at killing not just bacteria responsible for common UTIs, but even those that are resistant to antibiotics. Number 4, grapefruit seed extract. Next time you eat a grapefruit, make sure you don't throw away the seeds. They are incredibly powerful against UTIs. If you don't have access to seeds, this supplement is also available online. Often abbreviated in GSE, this natural remedy can help not only in your UTI treatment, but with everything from earaches and throat infections to candida and diarrhea. GSE has also been shown to treat imbalances in your gut bacteria and even as a general antimicrobial. For this reason, you'll also find GSE in many of your common pharmaceutical products including toothpaste and eardrops. Back to UTIs. Research has found GSE to be extremely effective at killing UTIs, even those that were resistant to antibiotics. The only drawback is that GSE is not as well researched as the other remedies in this video. It's still very widely used though. It's pretty safe and it's often used to make cranberry extract more effective against UTIs. Now guys, there are some very easy tips to treat and prevent UTIs that everyone should know. Here they are. Tips. Practice healthy hygiene habits. It goes without saying that if UTIs are caused by bacteria and other pathogens, good hygiene can prevent their spreading. And also, drink more. Hydration status has been linked to the risk of urinary tract infection. This is because regular urination can help flush bacteria from the urinary tract to prevent infection. For the same reason, some diuretics can help. While people with kidney problems should be very careful with using diuretics as home remedies, consulting your doctor may really help here. Some natural diuretics are better than others. These include uva ursi, dandelion root, and dandelion leaf. According to studies, it's also a good idea to see a doctor immediately in case of UTIs. I know that most people don't do this because UTIs can usually be treated without many risks with home remedies like those I'm showing you today. But in case of kidney problems, you absolutely don't want any infection to spread up to your kidneys. Also consider that antibiotics may be needed to treat an UTI, and those are known to cause kidney damage. So only take antibiotics as directed by your doctor. They should be able to tailor suit a shorter course that preserves your kidney health. But to do this, you should talk to your doctor immediately in case of UTI symptoms if you have kidney problems. Now, maybe the most important tip: prevention. Taking preventive measures is especially important for people suffering from recurring UTIs. While the remedies and tips I've shown you till now are also very helpful when it comes to preventing a UTI, there is one remedy you should always consider. Number 3. Prevent UTIs and help the kidneys by taking probiotics. According to studies, probiotics, beneficial bacteria from foods and supplements, can help prevent and treat UTIs. Probiotics help because they prevent harmful bacteria from attacking to urinary tract cells, and they also produce hydrogen peroxide, a strong antibacterial agent in urine. Now guys, I always recommend taking gut health in great consideration in case of kidney problems. Fact: having a healthy gut is key to protect the kidneys. Not only impaired gut microbiome is linked to increased risk of high cholesterol, high blood pressure, obesity, and heart disease. There are also studies directly linking gut health problems to a rapid decline in kidney function. And while there are some healthy superfoods that can really help, including kefir and other fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, there is a healthy recipe you may want to consider. This is a little known delicacy you can easily make at home, which is full of very healthy probiotics. I've shared this recipe in my video up here if you want to know more. And while this recipe is great for kidney health in case of a UTI, taking a probiotic supplement may be the best choice. I'm saying this because a very recent study found out that combining probiotic supplements with cranberry extract and the next entry of today's video did wonders to kill most bacteria that cause UTIs. Let's see now what the last piece of the puzzle is. Number 2, vitamin C. Supplementing vitamin C is not just a must for kidney health because it fights high blood pressure, uric acid levels, and because it acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin C is also incredibly powerful against UTIs and other bacteria if combined with the other remedies of today's video. A recent study found out that this groundbreaking combination remedies is extremely effective against UTIs. People suffering from an antibiotic-resistant UTI in this study took Vitamin C. I recommend ascorbic acid in case of kidney problems. Combined with cranberries extract with at least 32 milligrams proanthocyanidins. And a probiotic supplement containing Lactobacillus rhamnosus for 3 times a day for 20 days followed by 10 days without supplements. They repeated this cycle for 3 times. The results of this study are shocking. This very natural treatment was able to achieve what antibiotics cannot. The majority of test subjects in this research were completely UTI free during all the follow-ups of the study without any major side effect. One thing worth mentioning here is that the dosage for vitamin C is more than what is usually recommended to patients in the advanced stages of CKD. So consult your doctor and see if this natural treatment is safe for you before starting it, okay? But if vitamin C in combination with those other remedies is so powerful, why is it just number 2 in today's video? Well, there is a remedy which is not only one of the most potent natural antimicrobial agents on earth, it also helps with high blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol levels, all according to science. Our number 1 for today is garlic. Okay guys, if you are still not taking advantage of the huge kidney healing benefits garlic offers when it comes to lowering blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels, you may want to consider that a recent study found out that garlic can be used as a treatment to combat antibiotic-resistant urinary tract infections. And yes, garlic can also be used to protect the kidneys, not just from UTIs but also from many other risk factors. It's very important to prepare it the right way though. I've shown exactly how to do this in my video up here. Watch it now if you have missed it. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.